Sawa.
A family like this with 2 females and babies. But if you get a family with a big male, yes, he will show some dominance, especially if you get another male coming close. Yeah, so you sometimes have them having 6 or selective, not shy at all. So the leopard will just go there, I think, because you have a lot of these horizontal branches that are still coming back.
You see in the middle of the park, there's a bird.
Uh-huh.
That is the oxpecker. Ticks.
Oh,
Yeah.
right in his
And other
eye.
parts in the body of the-
Turn around, bird. That's a great one.
Hapo kusikiliza vizuri kuna harufu ya sharubu.
Here they come. Here they come.
Here they come again.
Here they come, yeah. Ooh, it's
I thought
from
they were
the...
going to hunt a giraffe.
It's cool, it's active, it's morning, they're feisty.
Oh, here come the impalas joining the zebras.
Uh-huh. Yeah, here goes another one, too.
That's got a bigger rack.
Yeah, the one behind's got a larger.
So this guy starts hopping as soon as he gets outside of the trees there. Let's see. Nope. He's gonna walk.
Oh, great shot.
Don't look at me with that look.
You know the giraffe lives.
I'm only seeing 3.
Oh, I see. And the warthog.
Dark. They were kind of really good at
What we have this way, but most of them we have here is the yellow-collared leopard.
bunch of ostrich. To me and my baby.
You want to give us a dust?
Mad.
The baby's going to hide behind.
Which one?
And gestation determines the sexes of the baby which is going to be born.
Julius, what's the black and white bird with a long tail?
Bagpipe shrike.
Okay.
Once the elephant disturbs some bugs,
Move it out a little bit. Yeah. Come on out there, you little rascal. Look at his little.
Got an itch in his ear, too.
Hold on a sec.
He was scratching his ear.
Uh-huh.
Eating that shrub.
Here comes the baby.
He's scratching his ear too.
Yeah, he got a mouthful of food.
he's like scratching the buck.
Got an itch.
Uh-huh. Oh, it feels so good.
Got a massage.
Can pump the blood and pass inside the ears while slapping to reduce that body temperature by 5 to
Uh-huh. Yes,
Oh, they're crossing.
See well from there, but if you look here,
Look at
that
you.
is the migration of giraffe.
No, but no, let's decide.
Oh, got it.
He got it, he got it.
Oops!
That little one under its mother's chin is. Huh. So there's a baboon. You say there's a baboon in the. Oh, I see him moving the branches.
Down there walking in the
Baby baboon.
oh, there's a big one down there.
Pretty tight. Do they nest in termite mounds?
No, they like to feed on termites.
Okay.
So that's why you see often near to the termites.
There he goes. Oh my, look at.
He's tiny.
That is the good place we often get stuck,
Yeah.
right here.
I'll drive, you push.
Huh?
Yeah.
Dual purpose. You stand yourself with it first.
Here's the back leg.
You're gonna put the white egg on. Oh, sweet precious.
Thank you for sharing the baby.
They don't care about you.
Yeah.
Maybe say, I saw you before.
Uh-huh.
It's just a big bluff, yeah.
Yeah.
Stop to the left. Oh,
I was looking for them.
About 18 inches long.
Let it look the elephant.
No.
there's some on the
I can
ground
hear 'em
and then
chewing on
and the
them.
second
Boy,
thing as
listen
well.
to him.
And sometimes they cook like those as well and they paint. They soak in the water, sometimes they put the paint. It's dry. Normally have the sweet nectar, very sweet nectar. It's called Terminalia brownie because once they get a lot of those seeds in the distance, the tree change to become very brown. Wood down there, platform they have to change. So you can see to the right side. I'll be around here. Maybe from here. Even those lakes here, but it's alkaline lakes.